Today we're making a drink with my favorite sipping sherry, Harvey's Bristol Cream. Dan, not too much of a fan
Well,
of this
it's
one?
gonna make you pucker like a motherfucker.
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. I'm Derek. That's Dan. That's Ian. We're on Tiki Month episode, the second to last episode of Tiki Month, and it's of course the Fog Cutter because you can't. We're only going up from here, dudes. We're only going to the more potent drinks forever.
I knew we were going to run out of that.
Can we finish it? Do we have it? Do you need more?
We need a half ounce.
Half ounce. Here, use the Cuban Havana Club, and I'll toss this one into the trash barrel.
Oh, it's got a little bit of
right there with the killed bottles.
Yeah.
This recipe.
Puerto Rican to Cuba?
Yeah.
That's okay?
That's what I'm doing.
We're mixing it?
We have no choice.
All right.
I could open another bottle of Havana Club, but I don't know where it is. 2 ounces of light Puerto Rican rum, 1 ounce of brandy, ½ ounce of gin, 2 ounces of fresh lemon juice, 1 ounce of fresh orange juice, ½ ounce of Orgeat Syrup, ½ ounce of cream sherry as a float, and a mint sprig garnish. So, pretty much said everything there is. Here's your sherry. We're using Harvey Bristol Cream.
It's good stuff.
You're going to float this on the top when the whole thing's done. It's a shake and strain. Do we dump for this one? Yep, you dump. Yep. Shake and dump. No strain. You don't need a strainer when you're doing tiki. You just get into it.
How come most of them are dumps?
Because they want the extra dilution. If you dump the old ice, it's so small, it's going to dilute like really fast.
Okay.
And you need the water and the cold because they're so fucking potent. And you got to bring them down. And contrary to what Jennifer says, maybe there's some science to back me up here, but
What?
If you have a drink that has X amount of potency, if you add 2 ounces of water, it's the same potency. It's still all there. She has this theory.
No,
that
it's watered down because you're kind of... No, because you're kind of...
The alcohol is still present.
No, but you're getting more liquid.
Right,
Sure.
So it's taking you longer to drink.
Nope, not if you do it. Okay, let's say
It's more diluted.
It's more diluted.
Okay.
By definition, it's more diluted.
So here's my theory. Let's say I have a 2 ounce shot,
Yes.
pure 151,
Yep.
and I add in 1 ounce alcohol.
It's more diluted.
Wait a minute.
2 ounce alcohol, 5 ounce alcohol,
Okay.
and I down both of those in the
Yep.
same period of time.
You're
Are you
fucked
telling
either
me-
way, but it's still more diluted.
Okay, but the diluted doesn't make the alcohol go away. It's still all there.
No.
You
but
pee a little bit more.
No, listen. But it's more to drink. So you.
But I finished it in 1 second. Who cares how much more it is?
But that's not the point. You're having a drink, right? So you have 2 ounces of alcohol, like a shot, right?
Yeah.
Why do you think shots fuck people up more than like a drink, right? All a drink is a shot
have multiple
and
shots.
like a half of something.
But if you do 2 shots,
But it's how long they take to drink it.
that's not my point. My point is, if you dilute something, the alcohol does not go someplace. It's still all there. If you drink it in
No,
the
but
same
it's more
time
for you to
period-
consume.
But if I could consume it all, it doesn't matter. Right?
Yes. If you drink something and you just pound it down, you're fucked
This
no matter
is
what.
for example, what Ian's doing right here. Crushed ice, you dump, right? So that ice is half
Yes.
there. It's gonna dilute faster.
Oh, it's not crushed.
Well, and it's already diluted.
That's not crushed, but it's already diluted, and the ice is gonna dilute more. But the alcohol that's in there isn't going anywhere.
No.
It's all right there. If I
But
finish
if
that
I
drink-
gave you a glass that was like this,
yep,
you would drink it faster because there's less
I would
volume.
drink. I could consume that drink 5 seconds faster. True, but
But not 5 seconds.
Well, you don't drink that fast. I'm
Yes. I mean, we've drank
You
with
have a
you.
small pipe.
Yeah. You're not like, oh, look at me.
I could. I just get drunk. But
Exactly.
what I'm saying is,
But you don't because you take time, and as you drink something over time.
sure. If you drink a drink as fast as you can metabolize, I don't care if you add 5 ounces of water to it or dilute it down a little bit, you're still going to be the same way. If you take a drink that's this big
also-
now and it's half its water, yes, it's going to take longer to drink.
And also diluting it also makes it more approachable.
Yeah.
I'm not arguing that point.
So here's
that's
the
just
thing.
science.
Does diluting it, making it easier to go down, mean you drink it faster?
Yeah, see, I'm looking
Now
at it
you
from a
just fucked
one-to-one
everything up.
control
Hey.
group, and I'm looking at it from a
Paradox.
scientific perspective. Same amount of
I'll
alcohol in
go
2
paradoxes.
things. One's a little bit bigger. You're still going to get drunk.
Let's try this thing.
Oh.
What is this
All right,
drink
let's see
called?
what we do.
Fog
Fog
Cutter?
Cutter.
I don't know, but if you film like 7 shows in an hour and a half, and it's Tiki Week,
You probably
Good
should
luck.
drive right home.
You need to
fuck.
be,
I don't know where I'm going with this. I'm just saying.
Cheers.
you need to be a pro. So
Exactly.
our executive,
You need to have done this more than once.
which we have, so we're good. Executive producer is Brian Gift. He's done this more than once. He's been a Patreon subscriber for 2 years.
Yeah.
Patreon.com/CMC.
I know that name. That was good.
We roll
What don't I like in that?
What don't I like?
sherry.
Yes.
It's the float.
Oh, and then it like hits you with like
Sound
some
like sherry,
like
but
It's like
It's the lemon. There's a lot
It
of
hits
lemon.
you with a sour in the back end.
yeah, but the sherry.
Because there's
is
2
weird.
ounces of lemon juice. That's a lot of lemon juice.
That is a lot of lemon juice.
Although if you look at the proportions, that's light on the lemon.
Compared to all the rest of stuff.
Because you got
Oh wow, it is
3.5 of booze, and then you have
That's a lot of booze.
2 of sour, 3 if you count the orange juice. I don't think
Just
that's
give me
sour.
the chills.
And
You
then
need to
2
like
of
and
sweet.
subscribe because that was freaking hilarious.
Just give me the chills.
Use the bell icon so you watch Dan chill over and over again. So, the Bristol cream
Do you like it?
has that vermouthy taste to it.
Yeah, I don't mind it. I like sherry though, so I mean it's
That
interesting.
vermouthy like wine,
You like
fortified
it?
wine flavor. It's not my favorite. Like the rum barrel is
I
better.
asked you if you liked it.
Diane's gotcha.
Jen knows what's up.
It's
Why
a
do
Fog
these little
Cutter.
things that the camera
Okay.
Jen knows what's going on?
So if I order that at a bar,
Oh my god,
would
it
be
feels.
fine.
I feel like I'm at Tiki Chilteca again.
that's sour.
It's so
There's
sour.
no jambu flowers.
You spun the wheel.
Except for the jambu. Yeah, I spun the wheel
That,
and
that
I
was
was
like
like,
navy grog, wasn't it?
oh my god, the navy grog.
Yeah,
That's right.
baby girl,
See?
yeah.
We made that last.
Those
last
jambu
week.
flowers didn't affect my memory at all.
No,
Just the numb or
No, he
non-numbness
couldn't
of my...
And
say-
I get your fingers.
I thought the jambu
Made my
flower
fingers
was.
smoke.
No.
I thought the jambu flower was fucking hilarious. all night.
and his tongue was down, so I'd be like, Navy Grog. And you're like, you tell me tomorrow what you're drinking.
I'm not drunk, I've just been eating the jambu flowers.
Nothing's better when
Officer.
he's like, smell this. He's like,
my
what?
fingers.
He's like, smell my fingers.
And you go, when you get a whole 2 fingers
He's like,
out,
I've been fucking with a flower, and I'm like, we're out in public.
I touched the
Leave our
steam
flower
and
alone.
Yeah.
that's weird. So you don't like it?
He's not fit.
Oh my
So-
god, it's.
You don't like the sherry.
I don't like the sherry
Do you,
and.
you
and
like
it's-
sherry by itself? Sherry and the
I'll
lemon
try
juice
it.
is weird.
Okay,
I'll try it. Yeah, I like this.
so this drink, we didn't
This is
do
good
one
with
of these
rice or
yet.
something.
Oh,
This
definitely
is
it's a sherry.
this is Trader Vic. So the guy that made the Mai Tai famous, this is where he came
it's
from.
not Gatorade, just take a sip.
And nothing good ever follows. Smell my fingers.
Yeah, sure it does.
Hilarity ensues. That's
Something always follows good with smell my finger. What doesn't follow good is hold my beer. That's usually when bad things happen. Here, hold my beer. Watch this. No, it's
Yeah.
never gonna end well for you. Just
Yeah,
watch
but you're like,
Tosh
smell my
Cutter.
finger, then you look over and you're like, oh, buddy.
Did you do that?
Yeah.
That's sad.
Yeah. That
it-
shit causes disease.
You say cousin's disease?
Disease that causes.
Oh, okay. I'm like, that's just fucked up. I know you're from Western Mass. I'm from Northern Maine, and I think that's fucked up.
Don't just go throw that shit back on me.
So this is your World War II era long iron iced tea tiki style. I mean, it's
I can see that. Making
That's-
a World War II era drink.
I'm
perfect
still
sense to
getting
me.
like shivers from it. It's like the sherry's all right. Like it's a different taste. So
the
like
togetherness
that's
of
so. But and then it's just a little
Maybe it's just too
sour.
sour.
It's just sour.
got a lot of lime bite to it.
Yeah.
Uh,
It just kind of gives you that like.
So there's another
Back end.
drink that you can find actually at the Mai Tai and other places. It's called the Samoan Fog Cutter, which we've done in the past when we were on the table over there. It's like this, but what Trader Vic did is he said, okay, so this drink has caused lots of pain for my customers. Like they fall over, right? It's just
Oh, I
extreme.
can see that.
So he figured out a way to dial it back to make a drink that was a little bit more palatable and not as strong. But again, like we did with the zombie, this would be your original Fog Cutter. There's also one that has a G in it, like double G's, the FOGG, which we'll have to do at some point in time because I'm curious on what it is. But it's another drink from Bali High or one of the other places that came out with the Fog Cutter. It's different. It's just using the same name. And
With an extra G.
yeah, I don't know what. And so I think it was Jeff Barry was like they might have added the extra G because they were drunk after when they were making it or something.
Trademark
But
infringement.
when they
Wow,
entered,
I can see that.
Dark
Oh, no,
and
it's not
Stormy
true.
versus
Yeah.
Dark and Stormy versus Dark and
but
apostrophe Stormy.
Trader Vic didn't.
A lot of good things
No,
happen after you get drunk.
Nothing
A lot
good
of bad things
nothing
happen.
good. What's happening?
Yeah, he said,
Wait a minute. No, a lot of good things.
So and the other thing to note is that
Depends on your perspective.
this is I think the third most popular drink for Trader Vic. So it's the Mai
Mai
Tai,
Tai.
the Scorpion, and this
What are we making next?
Scorpion.
That's what I thought.
So just
He
saying,
set you up.
it's there's a method.
He
to
didn't
the
bite very
madness.
hard though.
No.
He's like, "Scorp."
You like it to be bit hard in?
Scorpion.
Oh,
I like a little bit of teeth.
Oh, but I'm not finishing that one.
the other thing is the Samoan Fog Cutter is a blended drink, so it's going to have naturally more dilution, and it's going to meet your requirements of having it make it slower because there's more water. So
Well, like I said, it's more. I think it's more approachable too.
this is not. I mean, this is a shake and drink with straight up alcohol floated with sherry on top.
Because you think, I mean, most drinks too, they have a shake time. How long are you gonna shake it for, right?
Sure.
Some drinks shake longer than other drinks.
Some drinks shake for 12 minutes.
Right.
Some
Yeah.
drinks shake for 5 seconds.
Yeah.
This is right in the middle. Not even close. So that, my friend. Oh, you can get these Chicago highballs. I just got them in stock. Chicago highballs, AustinsRace.com. Use coupon code April 18. Save 18% off till May 4th. And then we'll put on another coupon code, but you don't need to know about that. Think of the sense of urgency. You should buy these today. There.
Because you want to drink
Right.
properly.
You can drink everything in this. Long Island iced teas. I think that. Okay, before I end,
Yes.
Long Island iced tea or this?
Long Island iced tea.
Well, the
Really?
3 Mile Long Island iced tea.
But that's all. Those are potent drinks.
How do you
Actually,
Long Island iced tea.
I'd probably take this over the Long Island iced tea, to be honest with you, actually. Just because
Maybe
Long
Long
Island
Island
iced
iced
tea.
tea.
Yeah.
I would take the zombie over that.
Really?
I would take the zombie over that.
Yeah, yeah.
Rather
Yeah, I
than
probably
zombie.
do too.
Yeah.
It's not, but I mean, because it was a good kick in the face. Like it was like this. You're right. This is
Exactly. The
sour.
zombie's like it's like a Manhattan kick in your face,
Right.
right?
This has got a sour
This is
burst.
like sour, like.
It's just sour.
I'm not a huge fan of, like, the sherry's not bad, but I'm just not a huge
You
fan.
know what?
And it just like.
The lemon. If it was
I
lime,
think it made my fucking nipples hurt.
So, I said something about length of shaking 5 seconds to 12 minutes. Diana asked the question, shouldn't you shake or stir until there's condensation on the outside of the container?
you should shake for 15 seconds.
In general, yes, unless otherwise specified. So with the 12-minute Ramos Gin Fizz, it's to emulsify the egg proteins.
Right.
To
And,
like
and it's still
a really
debated
high
on whether
degree.
12 minutes really needs to
I don't know
happen.
if you. Yeah, I mean that's.
But even in any case,
But the longer you shake,
condensation has happened.
the
by then.
silkier it gets.
Right.
At that point, you're not diluting because it's a dry shake anyway in that drink, so it doesn't matter.
Right.
So you're not going to get the condensation.
But it could be a quick shake just to make it cold and not really dilute it much.
Right.
Right.
And then you could do a 15-second shake to kind of dilute the drink a little bit more.
15 seconds shakes your number.
Because
Yeah.
remember what the shake does. It does two things. It chills the drink and it dilutes the drink because you're shaking with ice.
Right.
Yeah.
There is
So-
no chill without dilution.
Yeah, so you're going to... Maybe you don't want to dilute so much, so you shake it for a shorter amount of time, but then you're going to have to strain it really fast because just sitting in there is going to chill.
Yeah.
So, depending on the drink, yeah.
That's fucking science.
And that's what we do here.
So, now that we've done that here, check the sidebar for more on Tiki Month, more on another playlist I haven't chosen yet. Down below, AustinsRace.com, Bartender Starter Kit, where you can get that kit, and while you're there, pick up some Chicago Highball glasses using our coupon code, save yourself some money, and, help me out. We're done. We're teaching you how to drink.